Welcome to Techtopia X.
Today we are looking at the HOVERAir X1 PROMAX 8K drone. If you want to check it out yourself, the product link will be in the description. This drone is designed for people who want professional quality footage without carrying a large drone or worrying about complicated controls. The HOVERAir X1 PROMAX is made to be as easy as pressing one button and letting the drone do the filming for you. It is small, it is light, and it is built for action sports travel and everyday content creation. Let us begin by talking about the camera. This drone records in 8K at 30 frames per second, which is extremely rare for a flying camera this small. 8K means you get incredibly detailed, sharp footage that looks amazing when you watch it on a larger screen. And if you create content for platforms like TikTok or Instagram, you also get 4K vertical video, so you do not lose any quality when shooting for small screens. This makes the HOVERAir X1 PROMAX extremely flexible for creators who post on multiple platforms. The next important feature is stability. The HOVERAir X1 PROMAX comes with SmoothCapture 2.0, which includes a 2-axis gimbal and electronic image stabilization with horizon leveling. This means that even if you're running, skiing, biking, or climbing, the footage remains stable, smooth, and professional. The lens has a field of view of 107 degrees, so you get wide-angle action-packed shots without distortion. One thing that makes this drone stand out from everything else in the market is that it is completely hands-free. You do not need a controller, and you do not even need a phone connected. You can take off directly from your hand by using one click or a simple voice command. For vloggers and travelers, this is a dream because you do not lose time setting up a controller. You simply hold the drone, hit start, and let it film you. The drone handles everything on its own. The automated flight modes are another area where this drone shines. You get more than 10 different modes, such as hover, zoom, out, orbit, follow, Dolly Track, and more. These modes help you capture cinematic movements with zero skill required. The drone decides the angle, steadies the shot, and follows you intelligently while keeping you centered in the frame. If you're skiing, biking, skating, running, or even walking through scenic locations, the drone knows how to track your movements smoothly. The HOVERAir X1 PROMAX also features omni-terrain technology. This is a system that allows the drone to fly over different surfaces like snow, water, sand, and rough terrain. Most drones struggle over uniform texture surfaces because they cannot properly detect positioning. But this system gives the HOVERAir X1 PROMAX improved positional accuracy, allowing you to fly it in more challenging environments safely. This is especially useful in outdoor adventure filming. Another major upgrade is the speed. The HOVERAir X1 PROMAX can follow you at up to 42 kilometers per hour, which is 26 miles per hour, and it has a top burst speed of 60 kilometers per hour. With the updated chip and tracking algorithm, the drone can keep you in frame even during high-speed activities like skiing, cycling, skating, and snowboarding. This makes it one of the best compact drones for action sports. Safety is also improved with rear active collision detection. It uses a rear time-of-flight sensor and visual sensor to detect obstacles behind it and slow down before collision. This makes the drone safer to use, especially indoors or in crowded environments. As for durability, the drone is foldable, fully enclosed, and built using aerospace-grade HEM material, which is lighter than carbon fiber, but strong enough to protect the propellers. The enclosed design means you can use the drone in tight spaces without worrying about hitting something or hurting yourself. The skiing combo includes a thermo battery and a power case that allows reliable operation even in extremely cold temperatures down to minus 20 degrees Celsius. The drone automatically enters sleep mode between runs, so you can charge up quickly and keep filming without downtime. The HOVERAir X1 PROMAX is not waterproof, so you need to avoid rain and highly humid environments. And when flying over snow, sand, or water, you must activate the omni-terrain mode before takeoff to avoid losing control. Overall, if you want a drone that fits in your pocket, films in 8K, is easy to use, has many automated modes, and follows you accurately during action moments, this is one of the best choices on the market. It has the portability of a mini drone, but the footage quality of a professional camera. The product link will be in the description if you want to check it out yourself.